Good morning. My name is Delilah Scamilla. A little bit about me. I am a registered nurse in the critical care area. I graduated with my bachelor's in nursing back in 2004. This is my third course in the MSW program, which I'm very grateful for. I'm a little bit older than most of you guys. I am 50 years old. I have five wonderful adult children and five awesome grandchildren. I come from a different perspective, having been in nursing for almost 17 years this November. I look forward to meeting everybody and working with everybody. I do work nights. I take care of my older sister, who unfortunately has end-stage renal disease, and I have a full plate. But I am definitely passionate about my studies and my profession, my current profession. As far as research is concerned, I only took a class in undergrad. Um, was not too interested in research, but we do use a lot of research in my current profession for best possible outcomes. And I am well versed with evidence-based practice. And it's ever evolving, as you already know, because when you know better, you do better. And I believe that's what research is about. Um, what else can I tell you about myself? I'm single. I've been divorced for almost 10 years. And I'm a very proud mother and grandmother. I can be a little aggressive when it comes to being successful. And I just look forward to meet everybody and also to work with you guys. Thank you.